wretched mess right now, and it's not even okay. Like, but my skin glowing.
When I made my first million, I ain't panic. I only drink out this hill. I'm done with Zanny. I bought my mama a crib. I'm outstanding. I'm pressing my cousin a pill till it's granted. I bought a Chanel heels. I'm Chanel bandit. I still got vintage garments. Old as my granny. Got my interior all man. Outside candy. I put your bitch in.
I am here finally to clear skin. It looks a hot mess, but because of the weather, we're gonna start with some fucking chapstick. Get this moisturized because, yeah. Y'all hear the music. Shaking my head. So I really have no specific order, nor do I feel like I am just a pro at makeup, nor am I a makeup artist at all. I just do what fit my face, and I make sure I don't look like a clown, okay? I mean, took a lot of trial and error for that. As you can see, but now we are on the right track. As I would think everybody else does, I start with my eyebrows. I feel like it's easier. Plus, I'm able to see completely, like, the shape. All is that. I'm not really good at explaining why I do the stuff I do. I just do the stuff I do. So I look how I want to look without looking stupid and people not looking at me like who done it and for why. Like, alright, so I start with my eyebrows. I just brush them out, you know. This is my clear face. Boom. But you know, I already moisturized and stuff, so I skipped that part. Y'all didn't have to. Y'all know. For those that are freaking out and they're like, they just do it on a dry face. No, bitch. I did that off camera. What the fuck, bro? I use the brow pomade stuff, but pencil is more accurate to me. Yeah, there's that. I got a lot of pet peeves. A lot of stuff irritate me. Sadly. I'm dead. I don't know why I be letting stuff get to me, but it's mainly just because it's like, why? Why? My guy. Why? If y'all can't tell, I love my eyebrows. Like, eyebrows are my favorite part of my makeup. That's the part that takes the freaking longest. How I turn from a hot mess to an even more hot mess. Okay. Y'all don't need that loud. Period. Like, I don't understand. Boom. Boom on the first one. Niggas always in the barbershop talking about cheeky fake this, cheeky fake that, cheeky for fake. Shut the fuck up. Y'all don't be with that nigga. Y'all know he got caught with a ratchet. Know he be riding with little Reese and them. Reese and them. Mess with my eyebrows. Bop. Wop, wop. Alright. Okay, bitch. I just go ahead and put this on the top of my hand. Yes, I'm finna go out. Y'all see the out tap? It's that out tap. Finna run out tap. Okay? So boom. And I will. There we go. So let's start. I place it on my lips mainly because that's where I'm doing my lipstick too, so. And it may seem like I'm doing this really fast and not really blending it, but it's like I do my makeup literally every day. At this point, why? We know what we're doing. Go ahead and make that shit shake right quick. Yes, I put foundation on my eyelids because I don't wear eyeshadow. I really can't. I don't know how. I don't feel like I look good with it because as soon as I put it on, it disappeared. Like, that's all you will see is this. Like, I have very hooded eyes. You know. Alright, so boom. There's that. I did that part. LA girl, you don't be needing to use too damn much. Ooh, shit. Oh my god. You know what? Fuck it. I guess we doing a full ass beat. And once again, this is just how I do it. For all the people who know how to do makeup to the T and blah 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 and critiquing the fuck out of me. Sis, this is for my face. This is for me not to look stupid. This is just for the bare minimum for me to feel content going out into the world. But and do not judge my nail. If y'all are just now tuning in, my nail will always look like this regardless of how my hands are because my full nail bed has to grow back. I would put it in the camera, but I am uncomfortable by it and I don't want you guys to feel uncomfortable. Alright, it may seem super light to y'all, but that's okay. You know, JK, that's not fucking okay, sis. If your shit is too light, do something. But in real life, this shit not that light. The camera making it like that, but by the end, the bitch is gonna look blended out and straight, okay? Cool, motherfuckers with it. I do this so messy, but once again, I do this for my liking. Shoot, this is what I do to look like how I be looking in my other videos. So then I bring back this brush and kind of just swirl it, cause like that's what works best for me. And I like the matte look. That's why I'm doing so much, but really in person, y'all, it's not that much. I swear. Please don't get on me. Like, damn. This bitch wants to become the powder. She wants to be the powder. Be at one with the powder. I'm in love with the cocoa, obviously. So we're gonna let that vape. We are going to vape for a second, you know, and y'all can talk to me. No, I'm just kidding. I'm dead. That's if y'all want to. I should really get my nails done. I'm gonna call my daddy. So here we go. Boom. What I fucking say? Shit. I don't put it in my eyebrows. Yes, that's what I'm trying to get around. But if I feel as though it's in it, like, bitch, just take your spoolie, brush that shit out. But I don't feel like I need to. These bitches is sharp. These sharp. This bitch, there's no such thing as too much freaking highlight. So, boom, wop. Especially on the tip of my nose. I'm obsessed with highlight on my nose, man. AJ the gold-nosed reindeer had a very highlighted nose. I did. I should be able to land a plane with my goddamn face, okay? Land the plane safely and in a timely manner. That's how I know my highlight is doing what it was supposed to do. Sheesh. Peep it, get with it. All right, that's something. I won't like my whole face until the lashes is on, because that's really what be changing a bitch. Eyebrows and lashes is really all you be needing. Shoot, that's all I be needing, honestly. But today, something told me to bake my face today. But first, we're gonna put this on so we can get makeup off. My makeup faces are so ugly. Yes, I could do it with my fingers. I'm one of the blessed ones. I just can't do it with tweezers. Like, I don't understand how y'all do that. I mean, I understand, but like, I don't understand. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Okay, bitch. Don't play with me. Oh my gosh. My next favorite part is my lips. I really do like doing my lips. And I do the same lip every day. Yes, ma'am. And my lips soft. Okay, little chapstick. Yes, I always do a brown liner and a nude. Y'all can ask me what I use and I'll tell you, but that's only if y'all ask. I didn't really aim this to be like a makeup video, so I won't put it in my description. But if y'all ask me in the comments, I will for sure respond quick, fast, and in a hurry to help you out. Of course, I would put lip gloss on top, but lately I just been using my ELLO lip plumper gloss. This the key. This is the key, okay? This is the key. I honestly feel like it'd be giving me a little mini allergic reaction to make them plump, okay? Because this whole be tingling, but it's for show fire. It does sparkle like always. So this is my look, and I even smoke like this. Before I smoke, like, I don't put on no lip gloss, no nothing, so that I don't have to ruin the whole look. I want to look like a baddie while I'm smoking, you dig? So yeah, I keep it plain. I'm not gonna put none on now because we are going to cop. We are going to do all that. So boom, I'm gonna get ready and I'll be back, okay? I'll be right the frick back. All right, and the transformation is real. So now I'm finna take y'all to go to the store with me and my mom because she has to get stuff for the chitlins, which I've told you are disgusting. I mean, she makes them and they're amazing, but yeah, here we go, cause y'all hear her coming. Shit, here she comes. Tell me to hurry up. So let's go, let's get it. Okay, so it is currently freaking raining, as you can tell by my loud ass window wipers, but my parents have walked in. They are getting the stuff. I am waiting and I am on E per usual, okay? Per fucking usual, which is not okay, but we gonna get straight. I'm gonna end up going back. I'm gonna drop them off. I will cop and we will be on our way to a successful fornication session once again, okay? Okay, so I have dropped them off and now I am on my way to cop the wonderful, 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 wonderful gift from the earth. And yeah, let's go pull up on that and get on our way with that. Y'all can see it's freaking raining. I just had to go through the freaking rain to get some freaking weed. Did I need it that bad? I guess so. But obviously that shows I need to freaking stop. We need to stop. Or I just need to start copping in bulks. You know, it's a win-win. However you want to look at it. We've got the ganja. We've got the ganja. Okay. Yes, I'm a ganja planter. Call me the ganja farmer. Deep down under the earth where they put the ganja. Belong, come and light it up on fire. Yay. Hey, hey, hey. Let's get it, let's get it. Weed make me so happy. It make me as happy as food make me, you know. But isn't that a problem? I know I'm not the only one though, okay? I need to stop seeing stuff as a problem. Look at the positive. Look at me finding a love in something, you know? I have already rolled. We are straight. So now I'm just here chilling with y'all, vibing, you know, the deal. So, really, bro? Every fucking time, bro. Every time. Cause my ass be talking too damn much. Am I gonna burn myself every freaking video? Like, oh, that one actually hurt that time. I hate that. I hate that while smoking, like, the weed get on your lips. But I'm told that, like, that come from having loose ass blunts. But I don't be feeling like mine is loose. But then again, I can't admit the ends do be looser because I suck at the end part. So I guess I can't complain. But at the same time, I can't complain because that shit irking. But you know. Another thing I hate in smoke sessions is when the freaking blunt is wet. And it'd be worse when I'm with just guys. Like, I took my lip gloss off, so I know it ain't me. Which one of y'all wet lip bad? Hey, wet lip bad. Always freaking like wet in the blunt with your lips. How does that happen? Like, you just work up that much saliva all the time? Are you like pulling like it's a straw or something? Like, dude, what is you doing? Am I just the only one during like my smoke sessions? I be too focused on the rotation. Like, I can have a full-blown conversation, but I will fully be paying attention to the rotation the whole time, as if I'm like anticipating the blunt. Y'all get what I'm saying? Like, paying attention to your conversation, but you like, when they gonna pass them off? Like, come on, bro. Like, the blunt hog. I'm a blunt hog in the subconscious way. Like, I'll be on my phone, I get the blunt. Thank you very much. Hit that bit. And get deep as frick in my phone. But continuously hitting that bit. And don't even be noticing it. And sometimes, like, I'll notice it first and I'll be like, damn, I done had that bit for a long time. But then again, in my head, after I pass, I'll be like, I wonder, did I even really have it that long? Because I'll be thinking, you ask me, I would do it. I would say I'm doing just fine. I would lie and say that you're not on my mind. But I go out and I sit down at a table set for two. And finally I'm forced to face the truth. Hey, no matter what I say, I'm not over you. Not over you.
That is Not Over You on the Adult Hit Music Station.
That
well,
is a slap.
DIYers.
Money talk. I just check the stats. Niggas still waiting on me to fall. Bitch got drip like me, walking on Louis Lil talk. These turbo Weezy beats got me singing to a guitar.